Welcome to our video discussing recent news about deportation and free speech. We're diving into the complex intersection of immigration law, free speech, and the rights of non-citizens. Here's what we'll cover today: the legal process and appeals in deportation cases, the role of political affiliations in immigration status, visa and entry policies, freedom of speech implications for non-citizens, and the public discourse around these issues. Let's begin by understanding the legal process and appeals involved in deportation cases. Deportation cases often undergo multiple levels of review. They can be appealed to higher courts, and might even reach the Supreme Court, indicating the complexity and duration of these legal battles. Next, we explore the influence of political affiliations on securing or losing immigration status. Although historical precedents exist, the government adheres to strict rules against ties to certain groups. Decisions must align with the interests of the United States. Moving on to visa and entry policies, we highlight that a visa is considered a privilege. The U.S. government reserves the right to deny or revoke visas and refuse entry, often with decisions made by the executive branch. Affiliations with groups opposing U.S. interests can also be grounds for deportation. Here's a quiz question for you. What can influence a decision to revoke a visa? Your options are 1. Criminal activity, 2. Political affiliation, 3. Supporting groups against the U.S., and 4. All of the above. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is all of the above. Criminal activity, political affiliation, and supporting groups against the U.S. can all influence the revocation of a visa. We now turn our attention to freedom of speech as it relates to immigration. The First Amendment protects free speech. However, non-citizens might face limitations on this protection. The U.S. government's stance often reflects national interests, balancing security and rights. Finally, let's discuss public discourse. This case has triggered intense opinions and debates. Some support the deportation, while others express concerns about fairness and potential biases. It highlights ongoing discussions about immigration laws and civil rights. To wrap up, here are some key takeaways. Deportation cases are legally complex. Political ties can impact immigration status. Visas, being privileges, can be revoked. The First Amendment has limited application for non-citizens. Lastly, many diverse public opinions exist on immigration. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know your thoughts in the comments.